Today, we're diving into a vehicle that proves one glorious truth. Sometimes the best luxury hotel begins life looking like something your toxic neighbor insists is just a little surface rust. Before anyone expected Instagram-worthy camper vans, one forgotten 1959 Chevrolet Viking short bus quietly received a second chance and became one of the coolest rolling guest bedrooms ever created. And believe me, when I first saw it, I couldn't believe this happened. The story begins with a retired 1959 Chevrolet Viking short bus, one of General Motors' durable medium-duty commercial vehicles built in the United States during an era when buses were expected to work hard for decades rather than retire after a software update. Chevrolet's Viking series earned a reputation for strength, reliability, and straightforward engineering. School districts, churches, businesses, and community organizations relied on these compact buses because they were easier to maneuver than full-sized coaches while still carrying respectable passenger loads. Decades later, most examples disappeared through corrosion, accidents, or simple neglect. This particular bus looked destined for exactly that fate. Its body was tired, its purpose forgotten, and most people would have seen only another aging commercial vehicle waiting for the scrapyard. Then architect Will Winkelman of Winkelman Architecture received a request unlike any ordinary restoration project. Instead of creating another shiny showpiece, he was asked to transform the worn-out bus into a fully functional mobile guest bedroom without destroying its historic personality. That challenge completely changed the direction of the project. Rather than erasing its commercial roots, the restoration celebrated them. Original proportions remained recognizable while the interior received an entirely new life. The finished conversion could comfortably sleep two adults either as a queen-size bed or as two separate single beds. Even more surprisingly, the clever layout still allowed the vehicle to transport as many as 12 passengers whenever required. I honestly can't believe this happened because most camper conversions sacrifice seating long before they gain comfort. The design philosophy respected the bus instead of fighting against it. Every cabinet, partition, and storage compartment had to fit within the rounded steel shell originally designed for school children rather than vacationers. Modern conveniences, including electrical power, a sink, and a toilet, were carefully integrated without making the interior resemble an ordinary recreational vehicle. Walking inside feels less like entering a converted bus and more like stepping into a tiny handcrafted cabin hiding inside an American classic. Technically, the Chevrolet Viking provided an excellent foundation for such a transformation because it originated as a medium-duty platform designed for continuous commercial service. Its heavy-duty ladder-frame chassis offered far greater rigidity than many passenger vehicles of the period, allowing additional interior furniture without compromising structural stability. Body construction emphasized durability with steel panels attached over a robust framework capable of surviving countless miles of daily operation. That extra strength became a major advantage decades later when custom cabinetry, plumbing, electrical systems, insulation, and sleeping accommodations were installed. Unlike many improvised camper conversions, this project benefited from careful architectural planning. Every inch of available space served multiple purposes. Seating transformed into sleeping accommodations, storage disappeared beneath benches, and circulation remained surprisingly comfortable despite the compact dimensions. Windows flooded the cabin with natural light while preserving the unmistakable silhouette of the original short bus. Even the driver's compartment remained visually connected to the living space, creating an open atmosphere instead of making passengers feel trapped inside a narrow tube. Politicians promise efficient use of space every election season, but this old Chevrolet actually delivered it without holding a press conference. Inside, the restored 1959 Chevrolet Viking short bus demonstrates that thoughtful design always ages better than fashionable gimmicks. Warm wood finishes, Carefully crafted cabinetry, comfortable seating, and soft lighting create an atmosphere that feels welcoming instead of cramped. Every feature serves more than one purpose, proving that good architecture is about intelligent decisions rather than excessive decoration. Spending one evening inside explains why guests often forget they are sleeping in a former commercial bus. I can't believe this happened, because the transformation is so complete that only the curved roof quietly reminds you of its hard-working past. Compared with modern camper vans, this Chevrolet offers a completely different experience. Today's factory-built motorhomes often rely on lightweight materials, plastic trim, and standardized layouts. The Viking conversion feels handcrafted, personal, and full of character. It also stands apart from countless restored buses because it was never intended to become a giant luxury RV. Instead, it remained compact, practical, and remarkably flexible. Dreamers constantly promise that less is more, yet most of them still need 3 garages and 2 storage units. This bus quietly proves that smart planning beats endless square footage every single time. Collectors appreciate projects like this because they preserve history while giving obsolete vehicles meaningful new lives. Although this conversion is unique rather than factory-produced, it demonstrates how vintage commercial vehicles can survive for future generations through careful craftsmanship instead of sitting forgotten behind collapsing barns. Surviving Chevrolet. Viking buses have become increasingly uncommon, making professionally restored examples especially fascinating wherever they appear. Museums preserve history behind ropes, but this bus lets history travel down the highway with working lights, comfortable seating, and a cozy bed. Now, we finally reach the subject everyone secretly waits for: the money. During its working life, a Chevrolet Viking bus represented a serious commercial investment, although prices naturally varied depending on body configuration and equipment. Today, however, this particular restoration occupies an entirely different category because its value comes from exceptional craftsmanship rather than ordinary production numbers. Custom projects of this quality rarely have direct market comparisons. When similarly restored vintage camper conversions appear at collector sales, buyers often compete enthusiastically because replacing thousands of skilled labor hours would cost far more than purchasing the finished vehicle. That is exactly why outstanding one-of-one conversions continue attracting attention among collectors who appreciate originality as much as historical authenticity. Before talking about dollars, we should simply admire what was accomplished. A forgotten commercial vehicle became a welcoming guest room, a practical people carrier, and a conversation starter all at once. It reminds us that excellent engineering deserves a second chance instead of an appointment with the scrapyard. That deserves genuine applause and perhaps a comfortable pillow after a long drive.